Hi guys, so today I'm installing the SKYVIK mobile holder in this car. Why I went for the magnetic one is I'm already using something similar in my Vento and that's working very fine for me. It costed me $674, but trust me guys, it's worth it. So inside the box you get this magnet here and two plates. These are the metal plates that have to be stuck behind your phone, whichever you are comfortable with, and a caution guide. This simply says your dashboard has to be clean. Main thing, I read a reviews where people say it's not sticking well on the dashboard, so it is really important to clean your dashboard. Make sure you're not sticking on something textured like this. This won't help you guys. It should be plain plastic with a matte finish. Gloss finish is also okay, but make sure you clean it properly. The first thing is I'm using sanitizer to clean any kind of oils left on the dashboard. The spot where you're planning to put is really clean. Inside the package there is an extra gum just in case you spoil the first one. So my first step is cleaning with sanitizer. Second step, taking some Colin, cleaning that spot again. Guys, the more you prep your spot where you want to stick, the more time you spend on this, the better it will stick you and the better results you'll get. Again, one last time, a drop of sanitizer, because this is alcohol. This will remove any kind of oils left. Now I feel it's pretty clean, so removing this. The first step is done. Keep pressing it for a while so that it sticks well. Don't put more force also. You may end up breaking this. Yeah, it's a firm fit. So there are two plates here. So it's our wish which one you want to go for. I'm going to go ahead and clean this phone case also. Same procedure, followed by a drop of sanitizer. Colin again, so that any kind of oils left over will be removed. So here I'm choosing the bigger plate. First I'm going to stick it here. It's very strong guys, the adhesive is very strong. Stick it here, place it like this and see where it is going. Just remove it. This is where exactly it is going to stick, so I'll take the center and stick it here. So I'm going to remove this. Making sure to stick it in between and in the bottom part. So probably this is a good spot. Right, just wipe it for a while. These stick very well guys. This gum is very good, so you don't have to worry of not sticking. Make sure you clean it properly. That's it. Let's try this. Cool, it's very steady guys. You don't have to worry about your phone falling down at all. Even if I want to use maps, I can use it like this or I can use it like this. It's going to be a perfect fit here. Make sure you use the bigger plate if you are using it for accent or any car which doesn't have much space. Hook up the links in the description in the first pinned comment. Do check out. This is one of the best mobile holders you can get as of now. As you can see, it fits well with the charging cable as well. It's perfectly aligned down, and also in the horizontal mode the charging cable sits perfectly in. Make sure to check my first pinned comment for the product link.